Hello students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing good. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Known Forward, and we are going to study from Feather Gap People and Places. This is chapter number 12, Our Beautiful Earth. So, as we know, Earth is the only planet where life exists, जहाँ पे हमें living conditions जो है मिली हुई हैं, और कोई ऐसा planet नहीं है other than the Earth which has the life conditions or where living beings can survive. So, our Earth has a lot of landforms. There is plains, there are mountains, there are plateaus, deserts, islands, everything. So, in this chapter, we are going to cover different landforms of the Earth. Let's get started now. I hope you are all ready with your books. We all live on the Earth. It is our home. It is also the home of all plants and animals. So, the three living things are human beings, animals, and plants. All these things are surviving on the earth because it is the only planet जिसके ऊपर life जो है exist करती है. Now our earth is like a giant ball. जो हमारी earth है एक बड़ी सी ball की तरह है. The surface of the earth is covered with land and water. जो हमारा earth है वो land और water से covered है. मतलब आधा part में lands है और बाकी parts में जो है आपका water bodies है. 3/4 of the surface is covered with water. So जो 3/4 सरफेस है हमारी अर्थ का वो पानी से कवर्ड है, बाकी इस पे क्या है, सारे कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं. द ग्लोब इज द मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ. सो दिस इज ग्लोब. आई होप यू हैव सीन द ग्लोब. ग्लोब ऐसा होता है, अगर आप इसको रोटेट करोगे यू विल एबल टू सी ऑल द कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड. सो ग्लोब इज बेसिकली द मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ. ग्लोब हमें शो करता है कि अर्थ बेसिकली दिखती कैसी है, कौन सी कंट्रीज कहाँ पे है, कौन सी वाटर बॉडीज कहाँ तक है. Now the earth has oceans and continents. हमारी अर्थ पे oceans और continents दोनों हैं. Oceans are large bodies of salty water. Oceans क्या है, बेसिकली बड़ी बड़ी पानी की bodies जिसके अंदर salty water है, नमक वाला पानी है. Continents are large areas of land. And what are continents? They are the large areas of land. So हमारी अर्थ टू बेसिकली लैंड एंड वाटर में डिवाइड है. जो लैंड पार्ट है दैट इज नोन एज द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. कॉन्टिनेंट्स के अंदर आपकी अलग अलग कंट्रीज हैं. एंड अदर वन इज योर ओशन. ओशन जो है आपके वाटर बॉडीज हैं. ये जो है ओशन हैज अ सॉल्टी वाटर, और जो सॉल्टी वाटर है ये हम बहुत पर्पसेस के लिए यूज नहीं कर सकते. नाउ डिफरेंट लैंडफॉर्म्स. The land is not same everywhere. The highlands and lowlands form the natural features of the earth. So, जैसे लैंड है हर जगह सेम नहीं है, कहीं पे ऊंचाई है कहीं पे नीचा है. प्लेन्स, तो इसी तरीके से जो बहुत अलग अलग कैटेगरीज है हमारे लैंडफॉर्म्स की. फर्स्ट वन इज योर प्लेन्स. लो एंड फ्लैट लैंड इज कॉल्ड अ प्लेन. द लैंड विच इज लो एंड फ्लैट इज नोन एज प्लेन्स. हमारे इंडिया में जितना भी सारा मैप का आपका मिड पार्ट है, सेंट्रल इंडिया है, इट इज ऑल प्लेन्स. वहाँ पे आपके जो माउंटेन्स हैं या फिर कोई और लैंडफॉर्म है वो नहीं है, वो सारा प्लेन्स एरिया है. Many rivers flow through the plains. So there are a lot of rivers which flow through the plain areas. The soil of the plains is very fertile. So the soil of the plain areas is very fertile. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जो रिवर्स होती है वो अपने साथ ऊपर से जब वो फ्लो करती आती है बहुत सारा सिल्ट लेके आती है, और वो जब नीचे आती है प्लेन्स पे वो उसको लैंड को बहुत ज़्यादा फर्टाइल बना देती है. इट इज़ गुड फॉर फार्मिंग, और वो फार्मिंग के लिए भी हमारा लैंड जो है बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. इसी वजह से प्लेन एरियाज, मैनी पीपल लिव ऑन प्लेन्स. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल you will see that they are reside on the plains. So do you know where are you residing, on which kind of landform? Are you on plains or mountains, plateaus? Where are you living? Now second is your mountains and hills. Mountains are very high, hills are not so high. Mountains बहुत high होते हैं, hills इतने high नहीं होते. Some mountains are covered with the snow. So as you know there are a lot of mountains in India which are covered throughout the year with the snow. So for one example of the mountains which are covered with snow is your Himalayan mountains. The tip of the mountain is called peak. So जो mountain का ऊपर वाला हिस्सा होता है this is known as your peak. जो ऊपर वाला tip होती है इसे हम peak बोलते हैं. Flat land between two hills or mountains is called a valley. जो flat land होता है दो hills और mountains के बीच में उसे हम valley बोलते हैं. Basically दो mountains के बीच में ये this is a valley. जो flat land है दो mountains या hills के बीच में इसे हम valley बोलते हैं. Many crops can be grown here as the valleys are fertile lands. बहुत सारी crops जो है हम यहाँ पे cultivation उनकी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये जो है fertile land है. Now plateau. Plateau is a highland with a flat top. It is also called a tableland. Plateau जो होता है basically थोड़ा plain से ऊंचाई पे होता है, but इसका जो top होता है वो mountains जैसा नहीं होता, वो flat होता है. तो ये इस तरीके का कुछ नजर आता है, इसको टेबल लैंड भी बोलते हैं because it is a flat like table from the top. Another is your desert. Deserts are hot, dry and sandy places. Very little rain falls here. So जो डेजर्ट्स हैं ये हॉट होते हैं, गर्म होते हैं, बहुत ड्राई होते हैं और सैंडी एरिया है, और यहाँ पे जो बारिश होती है बहुत ही ज्यादा कम होती है. Cactus grow in a desert because why cactus grow in a desert? Because cactus stores water in its fleshy stems. जो cactus होता है इसका जो water होता है, as we know that there is no rainfall or very little rainfall in the deserts, so the cactus stores the water which it has in the stems. Now the camel is a useful animal in the desert. अब जो camel है वो desert में जो है आपका चलता है. Why? It is also known as a ship of the desert as we all know. ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज कैमल के जो पैर होते हैं या फुट होते हैं दे आर वेरी वाइड और वो सैंड के अंदर नहीं जाते. एंड नेक्स्ट इज योर आइलैंड. आइलैंड क्या है? अ पीस ऑफ लैंड सराउंडेड बाय वाटर इज कॉल्ड आइलैंड. ऐसा पीस ऑफ लैंड जो चारों तरफ से पानी से घिरा हुआ हो, इट इज नोन एज आइलैंड. Another is your polar regions. The north and the south poles of the world are covered with the snow and ice throughout the year. These places are extremely cold. So as we know, this is our earth, so this is the north pole, this is your south pole. These areas are covered with the ice throughout the year and these places are extremely cold क्योंकि यहाँ पे sunlight जो है बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पहुँच पाती. Another is your water bodies. These were your landforms. These now we will study about water bodies. The places on the earth where water is found are called water bodies. ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हमें पानी मिलता है, they are known as water bodies. It can be a lake, it can be river, it can be sea or ocean, anything are called water bodies. Waterfall, river, lake, pond, sea, etc. are different water bodies on the earth. So this is river, this is your lake, this is pond and this is a waterfall. These are some example of your water bodies. Now, man-made changes on the earth. Man has constructed road and railway lines. जैसे जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ती गई, जैसे जैसे चीजें डेवलप होती गई, so a man has developed railway lines and roadways. He has made bridges and dams over rivers. So to cross the rivers, a man has made bridges and dams over it. He has built factories and buildings. उन्होंने factories बनानी शुरू करी, buildings बनानी शुरू करी. All these things have changed the face of the earth. और इससे धीरे धीरे जो पूरा अर्थ था वो चेंज हो गया. As we all know that the earth is developing, the people are coming with a lot of changes, with a lot of new technologies and developments. All these things have changed the face of the earth. The earth is no longer as the same it was born. और अर्थ आज के टाइम पे वैसा बिल्कुल नहीं है जैसे वो बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में था. It is our foremost duty to protect our earth from the destruction. So it is our duty to protect the earth from the destruction. Now, classroom activity, write the name of these landforms. So this is your mountains. As you can see, the mountains are covered with the ice. Now, second one, this is your valley because the place between the highlands, the place between the hills is known as the valley. Another third, this is your plateau. Fourth is your plains. As we know that the soil of the plains is fertile and cultivation is easy here. Next page. Take the correct answer first. The shape of the earth is, so the shape of the earth is like a ball as it is round. Second, a vast area covered with the sand is called, the vast area which is covered with the sand, it is known as a desert. Third, a large body of salty water is known as, it is not a river, it is basically ocean. Now fill in the blanks with the given words. See, these are words which are given here. First, low and flat land is called, low and flat land is known as plain. Second, dash are very high hills. Mountains are very high hills. Flat land between two hills or mountains is known as valley. 4. The tip of the mountain is called a peak. Now answer the following questions first. What is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is round. It is like a ball. So it is round like a ball. Name the different forms of the land on the earth. So the different forms of land on the earth are plains, mountains, valleys, plateau, desert, island. So these are some different forms of land on the earth. Now what is the main difference between a hill or a mountain? So you will get the answer on the second page. Difference between the hills or mountain. Mountains are very high hills and hills are not so high. And some high mountains are covered with the snow. So this is basically the basic difference between the hills and the mountains. Hills जो होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा high नहीं होते, mountains बहुत ज़्यादा high होते हैं. और जो mountains होते हैं, they are also covered with the snow. Fourth question, which part of the land is more suitable for farming? So the plain is more suitable for the farming as the soil is very fertile there. So we have completed the chapter. We have done the question answers and completed the whole chapter. Thank you so much. I hope everything is clear. Happy learning.